Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do another car video on the interior this time. My interior is pretty shot, needs good vacuuming out, and I'm going to clean up the leather a little bit. I've got a new product from IDSCARCARE.com. It's the Klasse. This is their vinyl leather, rubber, and plastic cleaner Protectant. So I've never tried this product. It says basically to put some into a sponge or cloth, wipe it in. You can leave it on or you can wipe it off, is optional. If you have really dirty or faded materials, you can repeat this process. So I've never tried it. We're gonna give it a shot today. First things first, we're gonna take the car down, and there's a gas station down the street that I can use their vacuums. I don't have to pull my stuff out or get my stuff dirty. I'm just gonna drive down there. I'll show you some of that vacuuming, then we'll come back and we'll apply this and we'll see how it works. I've never used it before. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Let's go, let's do it. All right, so usually my dogs, I carry them around back here. I've got this blanket and you know, it's just a mess. You can see all the stuff, the grass from taking to the parks. The seats are absolutely dirty, terrible. And they like to spit everywhere. So we're gonna take this down, vacuum it out. All right, we're down here at the gas station. They've got these little vacuums. Now sometimes these things are sharp, so you gotta be careful. People drop them, they're dirty. You gotta keep an eye not to mess up your car worse than it already is. But these are okay. So we'll try them out, we'll use them. I'll show you what it looks like. Seems to have a adequate amount of power. Just gotta spend some time and keep going over it. So let me get this done and we'll go back and apply the product. Okay, we just finished vacuuming everything. Came out nice. Got everything nice and clean off the floor, off the seats. So that's step one. Now we gotta get home and do a little deeper cleaning. I suppose we're gonna get a little sponge, apply some product to the sponge and then rub it on. Probably gonna rub in circles and we'll see how the product works. I don't know if, maybe we'll do a 50-50. I'll take one half of the seat and I'll leave the product on there, and then the other half I'll take it off. I'll buff it off after, so we'll see what's the difference. I don't know. Okay, I'm back at the spot. I've got my product, shake it up well. I'm gonna be using the little sponge like this. I know it's a little dirty, but it's okay, we'll use the clean side. I'm not really worried about it. And I've got a little towel here. So let me show you what I'm gonna do. All right, here I've got this little bottle opened. It would be nice to have some type of flip top. I'm gonna go ahead and pour a little bit on here. Whoop. All right, well, might have poured a little too much there. So let's try it out on here. Let's wipe it in. Now this is in the sun. This seat is a little bit hot. So maybe you want to work in a cooler place. And if I leave it like that, it looks like it's got a darker finish on it. Let's see if I put this and wipe. So you're gonna need to apply this evenly. Now this area that I've applied to here looks fine, but you can see where I haven't applied it to these areas. And this seat is now hot because of the sun. Let me roll the window up here. I got some ceramic tint on there, so hopefully it will help. I can also put my air on to cool the inside of the car. The only thing is it's going to be loud with the air on and you guys aren't going to be able to hear me. Okay, so I applied it on the back headrest, or the back upper part of the seat, and this time I didn't wipe it off. I want to see what it's going to look like if I leave it on there. Now I can see it's evaporating and drying on there. It looks okay, but you do have some sort of little bit of streaking, so I would say the best way is like I did up here, and to go ahead and wipe it right away. Now what I can see is it does give a nice dark sheen. The product can be a little bit streaky, but if you go over it a little bit and then wipe it, it comes out really, really nice. So in this case here, I'm gonna have to re-dampen, reapply, and then I'm going to wipe off right away. Okay, I've reapplied. I put a little bit on here. Now this is starting to get primed, so a little bit is going a long way. Just rub it in. I've got this bottle right here. I'm kind of working in a precarious situation where I'm just about to spill everything. So as I've got it like that, I'm just going to go ahead and wipe right away, because these seats are hot. I found you really want to work in as cool of an environment. I'm just trying to do this for you guys. I will have to go over that, close that window, close that door, and do it. Okay, so with the door closed and the window up, now I don't have the AC on, I should turn it on, but if you apply it right away and wipe it, everything turns out just fine. It's got a nice, it's a shinier, darker look to it. And you know, if you get any type of streaking, I find that this product does have a tendency to give you some streaks, but you just go over it and you wipe it real fast. This is the before side. It's kind of like a dry look, and then you get over here and you've got a more wet look. But like I said, you want to work in a cool area and everything comes out fine. All right, one more time. We put a couple little dabs of it. We're going to rub. Make sure you get in all the cracks. If you do not get the cracks, you will have high spots, or low spots I should say, where you didn't get it. So we've rubbed it. We're keeping it moist. We're working fast here. We're gonna take our towel, we're gonna wipe, get all the cracks, get everything. I guess I didn't vacuum too good. And mind you, it's hard to do this while filming with one hand. But as you rub it in, everything comes out really, really nice. Nice, shiny, and new. Alright guys, let me show you again, because the phone is turning off. It is so hot, it's 95 degrees. Now I'm having really good results on the plastic, the trim on the doors here. It just worked fast. Now I pulled the car inside because it's too hot out there in the sun. But here, in the shade, it looks nice. It does a swell job. Look at that. Very nice on the plastics. Let's get this area here. And it's all about temperature with this product here, just as many products are. temperature and working fast, you will have good results. You've got to wipe it off fast. It's got to stay wet. Just does a great job on the plastic. Really, really like it for that. Nice. Alright guys, so you're liking the video. This is a new product. Klasse vinyl, leather, rubber, and plastic cleaner protectant. I got this from the IDSCARCARE.com site, and I've never tried this before. So what are my thoughts on this product? Kind of mixed, I'll tell you. The product, you have to work fast. I mean super fast. You got to keep it wet. You got to rub it in, keep it wet, and you've got to wipe it off. It says you could let it sit on there. No, you're not letting this sit on there. If you do, you're going to end up going over it again, which is not a problem. If you screw it up, you go over it again and you wipe it off fast, like really fast. If you're working too big of an area, just stop, cut your area in half, work half, wipe it off, work the other half. You can definitely see where you've applied this and not applied it. It will make a darker, little bit of shine on the area you've applied it. It brings it really like this real fresh new look to the whatever surface you apply this on. I did on my leather seats. My first learning experience, let it sit on there, had some streaks, did it again, wiped it off right away, no problem. The finish is fantastic. I did it on my door panels that are like plastic. That's where this product shines. It shines on your plastics. Just a fantastic product for your door panels. I did it on the dash. The dash looks really good. The center console looks fabulous. So other than having to work really fast and not in a hot place, I was parked in the sun at the beginning. You don't want to do that. You want to turn the air on inside the car, park it in the shade, and then work with the product. You want it in a cooler environment. So other than having to work really, really fast, I really like the product. The results are great. If you don't work fast, you won't have good results. If you don't work cool, you won't have good results. So those are my two tips. Work fast, work cool, and wipe it off as fast as you can. You'll have fantastic results with this product. This is $14.99 at IDSCARCARE.com. It is on sale for $11.99 right now. I spilled this in the driveway, but I still have this much left, which will do another car. So I think 1, 2, 3, 4. I think you should be able to get probably, depending on the size of the car, 7 to 9 applications out of this very, very easily. I don't think I used a whole lot, but I can't tell. You might even get more. You might get 12 or 13 applications because I probably didn't even use that much of it. All I did was use a sponge like this, and I just little by little. At the beginning, I was pouring it. That was way retarded. You just kind of dab it on there, and then you wipe it in. You come back and you wipe with your towel. It is actually very simple. It is a cleaner and protectant and refresh product in one. So guys, if I had to give 5 stars, I'd give this a 4-star out of 5 just because of the working time, and you know, you could have problems if you don't work fast and cool. Hope you guys liked the review. Try it out if you want to get it for your plastics. I think it's fantastic. If you want to learn and get it on your leather, then that might be another level of difficulty, but I had great results, and this is my first time using it. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later. guys, so I'm driving home from the market, and just a little update. It's been about a half an hour, 40 minutes, and I'm really impressed with the product. Everything in here looks rich, dark, got a nice shine to it, not greasy. The product has settled and cured in. You know, you got protection from this product. The only thing I would say is on the leather, you know, you got to apply it evenly, or you'll have maybe some streaks, or you'll see 50-50s where you applied it and didn't apply it. Other than that, though, I'm really impressed with the results. Everything looks nice and dark, beautiful. The doors, they look fantastic. The plastics just really shine with this product, and I don't mean shine like glossy shine. I mean the product shines on plastics. You know, that's where it does a good job. So check it out, try some of it out, use it on your doors for sure. On your dash, the dash looks great, and I'm happy.